Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 26th of February 2025, our system has ranked Google as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.05. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 3.04% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 3.04% to 24.04%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 21.16%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 16.02% to 46.29% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $200.41 and $252.69. Our latest daily update for Google features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Google Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, the Google stock price decreased by 1.53%, dropping from $175.42 to $172.73. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.62%, ranging from a low of $171.59 to a high of $176.08. In total, the price has decreased in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 6.79% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased along with the stock price, which is seen as a positive indicator, as volume typically follows price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 7 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $6 billion and $1 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the peak price of the stock reached $207.05, while the lowest price was $130.67. Currently, the price sits at 16.58%, or $34.32, below the 52-week high, and 92.95%, or $2,276.19, beneath the all-time high recorded on June 14, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Alphabet's Google recently made headlines by cutting jobs in its cloud division, signaling a potential shift in strategic focus. This reduction in workforce raises immediate concerns about operational efficiency and employee morale within the company. In the short term, such layoffs may negatively impact investor sentiment, potentially putting downward pressure on Google's stock price. Currently, Google is trading about 20% below its all-time high, reflecting broader market conditions and competitive pressures, particularly from players like Amazon, which has unveiled its new AI-powered voice assistant, Alexa Plus. This intensified competition underscores the urgency for Google to innovate and strengthen its cloud offerings to maintain its market position. Despite these challenges, Alphabet reported solid revenue growth of 11.8% year-over-year in the fourth quarter of 2024, largely driven by its Google Services and Cloud segments, which saw significant contributions from AI innovations. Looking ahead, Google's focus on enhancing cloud infrastructure efficiency and securing strategic partnerships points to potential long-term growth. The uncertainty surrounding cloud growth remains a concern, but analysts suggest that Alphabet could still be an attractive long-term investment as it capitalizes on advancements in artificial intelligence. Ultimately, Google's short-term challenges may weigh on its stock performance, but its foundational strengths and growth strategies could provide a path to recovery and sustained investor confidence in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research gave Google an outperform grade and a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform grade and a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google's stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Google stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal suggested by the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at levels of 180 and 191. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 16.3%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average revealed a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 12 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages had a buy signal 73 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $172.64. This level may provide a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.49, which amounts to 2.62%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 2.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at $2.02. It's essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $191.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $172.64. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Porat Ruth, who bought and sold 15,890 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 20.889. Overall, insiders purchased 1,603,650 shares and sold 1,045,045 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $161.93, reflecting a decrease of 6.25%. This stock experiences medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The Low Relative Strength Index, or RSI, stands at 19, which helps mitigate some of that risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 15 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google shows several negative indicators, suggesting it could be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it might be wise to consider it a hold or accumulate in this position while we wait for further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of February, we anticipate Google will open higher by approximately 73 cents, starting at $173.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.